good day, studentistas, and welcome to Diana News. In our today's topic, we will talk about blood types, transfusion, tissue, and organ transplantation. A person's blood may be the same or different from one another, and this is because there are different types of blood which can be type A, type B, type AB, and type O. To explain further, antigens are found on the surface of the red blood cell and they determine an individual's blood type. These antigens have two types which are A and B that are called agglutinogens. So in a red blood cell, if you have an A antigen, your blood will be type A. If you have B antigen, then your blood type will be B. If you have both A and B antigen, then your blood type will be AB. And if you have no antigen in your red blood cell, your blood type will be O. Moreover, antigens in the red blood cell activates antibodies called agglutinins. Agglutinins reacts against specific antigen within the red blood cell. These antibodies are located in the plasma and they interact with the antigens and triggers response. So in the blood, antigen is opposite from antibodies in the sense that if we have A antigen, our antibody will be anti-B, which will only destroy B antigen. This means that blood containing B antigen will trigger the antibodies of A antigen to destroy them. If we have B antigen, our antibodies will be anti-A, which will only destroy A antigen. If we have both A and B antigen, we will have no antibodies since they have no opposite, so any blood type is compatible with blood type AB since antibodies are absent. If we have no antigen in the red blood cell, we will have an anti-A and anti-B antibodies which will destroy both A and B antigen, and because of this, only type O blood is compatible with itself. So here we have the summary of what I have discussed earlier. Aside from antigens and antibodies, we also have rhesus factor, also known as Rh factor, which determines if a person has positive or negative blood type. If Rh factor is present within the red blood cells, then the blood type is positive, which means that they are compatible with both positive and negative blood types. However, if the Rh factor is absent in the red blood cell, then the blood type will be negative, which means that they are only compatible with the negative blood types. Now, let's move on to blood transfusion. It refers to transfusing blood from one person to another, in which blood compatibility is very important to prevent complication and life-threatening reaction. It also replenishes the whole blood, including the erythrocyte, leukocyte, and platelets. It is commonly needed for blood loss, organ transplant, and major surgeries.